like there's just no other performance like that. It's the biggest crowd we get all week long. Like, there's so many people out there. Like, literally like an ocean. Like, they move and they're all in unison. It's amazing.